And now this whole process, last class we focused on step number one. In this class, we're going to generalize it. We want to find x of s, and how do we find it? There's two ways. We can either find it by taking the integral from just before 0 to infinity of x of t in the time domain times e to the minus st dt, where that s is some sort of bizarre variable that we just need in order to get it into the frequency domain. It's actually a complex variable. It actually could have a real or a complex part, but we really don't care about that. All we care about is doing this integral in and then getting it out. Or you can use tables and properties. And that's this lecture. In fact, this is going to be a list that you will have on every test in EE230, including the final, that gives a bunch of pre-made transform pairs. So this is the one that we computed by hand last class, the exponential. E to the minus at, we said transforms to 1 over s plus a. But besides this one, there's also a lot of others. If you want to use, not only will this table be available for you on every exam you take and every homework, and you do not need to give help received on the table availability. I'm assuming you have this. But there's even a bigger table available in your FE handbook. And if you want to purchase the FE handbook, I'll allow it as a reference on the exams. Honestly, it's not going to help you over this, but I would love to have you pre-purchase the FE handbook and get used to using it, because you will be using it when you're a senior and you're taking your FE exam. And the more comfortable you get with that book, the better. It's about 120 pages of condensed 4 years of engineering and physics into one reference book. And they've devoted one whole page just to Laplace transforms. And you can download this from the webpage, the course webpage.